What's up, everyone? We got here today is this 52 SMC A52 ceiling fan, and I got this I think back in August of 2018 from Marketplace, and I think it was for $15, and I'm very lucky I got it, which I'm very happy I actually did get it. I remember these as when I was very little. Actually, since I was a baby. This lady I knew when I was a kid had one in her kitchen slash dining room. It looked almost close as this, but I think hers was antique brass. I don't remember if it had a cast iron, but I know the canopy didn't look like that plastic one up there, which I'll give you a close up. See what I'm talking about? But the canopy I remember was a beehive canopy. But everything else looked the same, like the GE vent and the blade irons and the cane. And it had a 4 light kit on it. And there was another ceiling fan, which was in the living room, was some polished brass footprint vent hugger ceiling fan. I don't know, it could have been either a Litex or a Mary Feist. It had that Mary Feist stencil. But anyway, let's give you a close-up look. I am using a different down rod because I want to. I just want to see how it performs. And it does, and it is a variable speed. It's right here. And then the pull chain is for airflow, reverse, and then off. So, yeah. So anyway, without further ado, let's go ahead and start the demo. I'm gonna start it with high speed just to let it speed up. And it does make a buzz. I don't know if it's a capacitor or if it's just the buzz noise itself. It wobbles. I can feel the vibration of this too. This thing like takes off, like it cranks out air. I can feel it just where I'm standing. Let's give it about a quarter of a little bit of turn. I could say down to medium and almost lowish. It's about your average medium, I'd say. Okay. Let's probably give it to where it's going to go to low. Set your speed there. And then I'll give it to super low. Well, restaurant speed, I would say. I mean, this thing, the slowest speed I've ever seen through this fan. Very nice low speed. It's aesthetic low speed, as other collectors say. Okay. Sorry, that was me. That was the ladder. Then I'm gonna let it on high speed and then let it coast. Let you see it on high one last time. This thing would be awesome during the summertime, but now let it coast. These things are awesome. I like to find more of these. I know the mid to late 80s 5-blade one. I like to find one of those. And I know either on Craigslist or OfferUp. I know I've seen some SMCs, some rare ones like the Emperors and some 5-blade A52s. There's some of them I've never seen before, but I say these were actually the very first SMCs that I saw when I was a baby. The A52. This one's definitely like in early 80s. I don't know like the exact year because it doesn't have a tag on it either on the side like some of these do. But anyway, there you have it. Enjoy the video.